Hello guys, good day again. This is Barry Moreno. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, we are here at the Minglanilla, very near, very close to the church, and we are buying something, some foods, Korean food actually, here at the Seoul, Seoul Garden, Minglanilla. So drop by here guys, they have lots of Korean food here, including some soju and among others. They have also some Korean ice cream and basta, just drop by. I I'm sure that you will like their products. And also they have samgyup meat if you like to do some samgyup style barbecue at home. And also you can rent their to be hot pot ba to? Their hot plate, I mean, hot plate. And that's it. Enjoy, guys.